Kia has just revealed the fully redesigned 2027 Seltos, and it looks nothing like the small SUV you remember. If you've been avoiding subcompacts because they always seem to cut corners where it matters most, this redesign was built with exactly that frustration in mind. The 2027 Seltos is arriving with a hybrid all-wheel drive powertrain, Telluride-inspired styling, and best-in-class rear legroom at a price that barely moves. Here are 6 reasons to wait for the remarkable 2027 Kia Seltos. Number 6. Bold new look. The outgoing Seltos was likable but unremarkable. It blended into the segment rather than standing out from it. That changes completely with the 2027 model. This generation is arriving with a full redesign, and the direction is clear from the first glance. The new body goes boxier and more upright, drawing heavy inspiration from the Telluride, Kia's most widely admired SUV in the current lineup. The grille widens significantly. The front end is carrying a star map lighting signature borrowed from the flagship EV9, accompanied by animated welcome lighting. Nothing else near this price point is doing that. Along the sides, flush door handles and a sharper sculpted stance signal that this is far from an incremental update. X-line trims push the character further with piano black trim, gunmetal accents, and purpose-built bumpers that give the Seltos a decisively adventurous look. 3 new colors are joining the palette: terrain brown, frost blue, and snow white pearl with a contrasting black roof. The squared steering wheel, borrowed directly from the Telluride, rounds out the visual upgrade inside. Every competitor in this space is currently wearing some variation of the same softened crossover shape. The 2027 Seltos is making a different statement entirely, but a bold new face only goes so far, and what Kia has placed under the hood for the very first time is where things get genuinely interesting. Number 5. All-new hybrid powertrain. For the first time in the Seltos' history, a hybrid powertrain is joining the lineup, and it's a genuinely significant addition. The setup centers on a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine working alongside 2 electric motors. The system connects to a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic with front-wheel drive as the standard configuration. An all-wheel drive version is also available, a combination that currently has no direct match in this segment at this price. The all-wheel drive hybrid setup is expected to produce around 160 horsepower and 240 pound-feet of torque. In this class, 240 pound-feet is a substantial figure. It translates directly to confident, real-world acceleration. Merging onto a highway feels nothing like it does in a typical subcompact. The front-wheel drive hybrid is projected to return around 45 city and 42 highway miles per gallon, with the all-wheel drive variant estimated at approximately 42 city and 39 highway. Most people buying a vehicle in this price range are watching every dollar. Fuel costs have a way of quietly erasing the savings of an affordable purchase price. Filling up 2 or 3 times a week adds up fast. That's exactly where the Seltos hybrid earns its place. At those fuel economy estimates, a buyer averaging 15,000 miles a year could realistically cut their annual gas bill by $700 to $1,000 compared to a standard gas subcompact without moving up in price or sacrificing utility. The electric motors also sharpen throttle response at low speeds, something naturally aspirated competitors at this price simply can't replicate. An efficient powertrain is a strong reason to wait, but an efficient powertrain inside a cabin that still cramps the back seat is only solving half the problem. And Kia has done something specific about that. Number 4. More spacious than before. The 2027 Seltos is moving onto a new platform. The K3 architecture shared with the Kia Niro and Hyundai Kona, and the dimensional upgrades are immediately apparent. Overall length grows from 172.6 to 174.4 inches. The wheelbase stretches by 2.4 inches, going from 103.5 to 105.9 inches. Body width increases from 70.9 to 72 inches. Anyone who has taken a longer road trip in a subcompact SUV knows that the back seat is where the cracks show. Passengers shift constantly, knees push into the front seats, and the conversation eventually turns to how much longer. The 2027 Seltos is built to change that dynamic. Kia is claiming best-in-class second-row legroom with the new generation, backed by additional hip room, shoulder room, and headroom throughout the cabin. Cargo capacity measures 27.8 cubic feet behind the rear seats, growing to 64.1 cubic feet with the seats folded flat. A standard 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen sits at the center of the redesigned dashboard, with an optional matching 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an available 5-inch climate control display. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, an AI voice assistant powered by ChatGPT, and streaming for Disney+, Netflix, and YouTube all come included. USB-C ports are available in both rows. At a starting price near $27,000, this technology package is genuinely difficult for rivals to match. The cabin is more capable than ever, but not every buyer is ready for a hybrid, and the gas-powered options in this new generation have a track record that's worth understanding before making any decision. Number 3. Proven gas powertrains. Not every buyer is ready to go hybrid, and Kia isn't pushing anyone in that direction. The new generation is continuing with 2 gasoline engines carried over from the previous model. That's not a limitation, it's an advantage. These are powertrains with an established track record, not first-year technology waiting to be proven in the real world. The base option is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, producing 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, matched to a CVT automatic. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive available. Expected fuel economy runs around 28 city and 34 highway miles per gallon on the front-wheel drive model, with an estimated range of approximately 409 miles per tank. The upper gas option is a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder rated at 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic. All-wheel drive comes standard on this engine. Previous Seltos models equipped with this powertrain reached 60 miles per hour in around 7.3 seconds, a strong figure for the segment. The real strength of both engines isn't just in the numbers. It's the fact that existing owners have already put them through years of real-world use and the reliability record that followed. In a segment crowded with new entrants using untested powertrains, that track record carries genuine weight. Solid powertrains are a foundation, but a reliable engine means considerably less if the vehicle stops at the edge of a paved road. And the 2027 Seltos is about to raise some expectations on that front. Number 2. Better off-road potential. Subcompact SUVs and genuine off-road capability have historically had little in common. Most wear the look of adventure without the hardware to back it up. The 2027 Seltos is pushing back on that. X-line trims are gaining up to 8.1 inches of ground clearance, a meaningful step up from the previous generation, while approach and departure angles improve alongside it. There's a specific type of frustration that comes with an SUV that looks capable but isn't. A gravel road to a lakeside campsite, a boat ramp after a wet week, a stretch of unpaved fire road. These are exactly the situations where the 2027 Seltos is being built to respond. A new multi-terrain all-wheel drive mode is arriving on select trims, providing dedicated traction control settings for surfaces well beyond normal pavement. The all-wheel drive setup spans both gas and hybrid configurations, meaning buyers don't have to choose between electrification and capability. X-line trims add 19-inch black wheels that reinforce the raised stance, while the all-wheel drive hybrid version goes a step further, using a rear-mounted electric motor to drive the rear axle independently, handling loose or slippery terrain with particular effectiveness. The 2027 Seltos isn't replacing a dedicated trail vehicle. It's becoming a genuinely capable option for buyers who need more than pavement confidence. And with all of that already built into the package, the only question left is what Kia is actually charging for it. That answer might be the strongest reason of all to wait. Number 1. Still an excellent value. Everything described in this video, the full redesign, the new platform, the hybrid powertrain, the additional space, the updated technology, the higher ground clearance, adds up to a substantially more capable vehicle than the model it's replacing. Kia is not pricing it like one. Gas-powered versions are expected to start near $27,000, ranging up to approximately $33,000. Hybrid trims are projected to open around $30,000, topping out near $36,000. The competitive context matters here. Rivals including the Mazda CX-30, Honda HR-V, and Volkswagen Taos all occupy this price range. None of them currently offers a hybrid powertrain option at all, let alone one paired with available all-wheel drive. A Seltos hybrid all-wheel drive near $36,000 occupies ground where no direct competitor currently stands. The 2027 Kia Seltos is arriving as a fundamentally different vehicle from the one it's replacing. A bolder design that takes direct cues from the Telluride, a first-ever hybrid powertrain with all-wheel drive capability, a stretched wheelbase that finally delivers on the promise of family-friendly space, 2 proven gas engines with an established reliability record, meaningfully higher ground clearance backed by a dedicated terrain mode, and a price structure that starts near $27,000. This is a subcompact SUV that has quietly addressed nearly every criticism the segment has carried for years, without asking buyers to pay a premium for the privilege. But keep in mind that the competition is shaping up for the next year as well. One of the key rivals will once again be the Subaru Crosstrek, which you can check out in our next video. Famous for its all-wheel drive system and overall practicality, it is now also available with a powerful and efficient hybrid, making it arguably the most well-rounded model in the class.